he brings up his half-century in style. 53 off just 18 deliveries.
Monstrous! Oh, that's a biggie!
Oh, he's picked this one up, Jimmy Neesham. Cannot be bowling those in the slot. Hamid comes back and Hamid gets put away. Thick outside edge, and he's going to help himself to more runs. Bit too short, this time into the leg side, and it beats the fielder again.
Another four. And another one.
Straight past the balls. Down the ground again. Oh, he's teed off again. Strikes again and finds the gap again. Oh, that's a bad ball. It's a full toss and it's going to go all the way.